Have you been wondering what would happen if you could put a little bit more into creating art, that maybe you could get something out of your art for you? Maybe you can go deeper and make a stronger connection with your art. And maybe you could actually make art that speaks to your own soul in a very personal way. And secretly wish that you could create art that's so beautiful you would hang it in your own home. I want you to know that that's not a distant dream. That's a real possibility, and that's something we work on in the Abstracted Artist. That's my private online learning platform where we work alongside each other, and I share all my techniques, my process, things I struggle with. So you know, like, you're normal, just like me. Like, I'm not this artist that has achieved a higher level. It's a way of life, and it's what we all go through. I still have those struggles. And when I do, I share them with you so that you can see it's nothing to be afraid of. And those struggles actually teach us something so important about the direction our art is going in. So we learn to use them and how to go deeper into our own art by discovering who we are as an artist. And inside the Abstracted Artist, we connect our inner artist to our actual art. You don't have to find a style. You don't have to discover a style that you want to paint. It's already in there. It's you. And it's a matter of connecting you to your art, and then everything starts to come to life. That's what we work on. We do it at a really doable pace. And hear me out on this, because many of us have taken a 6-week class, a 12-week class, all these really intensive long classes that they're awesome, but they go at such a fast pace that we're exhausted by the time we're done because we've had to rearrange our entire schedule to make it work. And then at the end of those whatever designated weeks, our access to that instructor ends. And shocker, that's when all my questions start to pop in my head because things are finally starting to make sense and I have nowhere to go with it. So I designed this specifically in a way that we go at a more doable pace that fits into our own schedules. Each one of us is a unique person that has a different schedule. We're in different time zones. We have different responsibilities. We're in different phases of life. So we have different things we have to worry about. And because of that, we have different rhythms. So one person's natural painting time may be a Saturday morning. Another may be every afternoon. Another one might be a night owl. And so it would be silly to assume that everybody paints in the same frame and is available at the same time. With these lessons in our membership, you can do them when it works best for you. And yes, we still meet live on a regular basis for those that want to and can attend. We answer questions in live Q&As because no one should stay stuck in their art. We paint alongside each other. We have community events where we can brainstorm or share our projects, where we're at, and bounce ideas off of other artists, because that's what it's all about. Community is huge. And some of the most important things that we need are support, guidance, and community. So those are automatically built into the Abstracted Artist that allow you to work alongside other artists and see that this is a way of life. This is totally possible for you. And you can actually get there with your art. You can make an incredible transformation into the art you're making now and the art that you will make in the future. And I want to leave you with this last thought, because wouldn't it be amazing? I want you to picture that you not only have connected with your inner artist, which means you know what's important to you. You've aligned your values to your art. You've figured out what you love in your art and the colors that you want to use. And you've created a painting from that you love so much that you actually hang it in a prominent space in your house. And so every time you walk by, it's like you do a little double take and I love that piece. Every single time you walk by, how is that going to affect the quality of your life and the ambiance that you created in your refuge of space? Just sit with that for a minute. That is what we offer in the Abstracted Artist. And if you can connect with your art at that deep of a level, well, others will too. And it wouldn't surprise me that people reach out to you and start asking you, hey, do you sell your art? And that is the magic of this transformation, this journey that you would embark on with us. I'm extending that invitation to you. This time, bet on yourself and invest in yourself with working alongside of others that are maybe a little bit further along than you. And let's see the transformation that can happen in your art.